Hello guys, this is the Lauchi Hydropower Electric Mini project, and I am just here to see how electrical current supply in all the Siran district and many different places supply from this Lauchi Hydropower Mini project. Wow, look at so many lot of machine you will go to see how they are produce electrical current. Look guys, what a beautiful now. Look guys, so many people are working at this Lauchi river and these houses they are working. Look guys, this is the Lauchi Hydropower Mini project, and this place is located in under the Siran district, and so many people are working at this hydropower mini project. Wow, look guys.